Welcome back, Emerald C here with a Thayers. Where we at? Perfect. Thayers Facial Toner review. You guys are in for such an awesome treat. I love this product. It is made with 98% natural ingredients. They are a farm to table brand, which means they farm a lot of their ingredients naturally on their farm, and then they put it in their products like this. So that was pretty much the selling point on it. In addition to the fact that it's made with coconut water, as well as aloe vera and witch hazel. So I love it, and it smells amazing too. This right here was purchased on Amazon. Now the reason why I purchased it because I wanted another item to add to my facial regimen routine because I use this in the morning and at night. Now this is perfect as a hydrator, as a moisturizer. So I wash my face essentially. After I'm done washing my face, then I go ahead and add my eye cream, add toner, and then a moisturizer because I want to go ahead and seal in everything that we just use with the toner. And of course, if you're wearing makeup, you can also go ahead and add your primer, your concealer, your foundation, and everything. And it's perfect for layering those items. So we're going to actually apply it on today. I'm going to show you guys how to apply it. Right now, aside from eyebrows, a little eye cream, and lashes, the face is just pretty much all natural. This is just wash my face and we're up and out. The coconut water properties within this toner are phenomenal because they're great for hydration as well as keeping your skin tight, skin bright, and it also has antioxidant properties such as vitamin C, which is amazing for the skin, especially on the face. It also has aloe vera in it. So when you think of aloe vera, I need you to go ahead and think of those long, thick green stems, like, you know, the cacti. You can slice it open, and when you slice it open, it's mostly water, and you pull it apart, it has like that slimy texture. It is phenomenal for your skin. It has vitamin C and vitamin E in it. It's also very, very moisturizing, and it's helpful to prevent against aging. And our face, again, this is the first thing that we see. So the last thing we want to see, though aging is a part of life, we want to preserve our face as long as we can. So the aloe vera is a natural component that can add towards that preserving your face to keep your skin nice and flourishing. It also helps to lighten dark spots. I know for me, around my menstrual cycle, I definitely break out. No matter how much I wash my face, no matter how well I eat, how much water I get, it's just something that occurs. It's a pain in the butt, but we're here. Anyway, with that in mind, I will get dark spots because of it. There are some dark spots, mostly on my cheeks though. I'll usually get them around my cheeks. Aloe vera is phenomenal for helping to reduce and minimize the appearance of dark spots. It'll help it fade over time. And it also has anti-inflammatory benefits too. So the aloe vera is definitely doing its thing in this toner. Witch hazel is another ingredient in our toner that we have today. It helps to tighten skin, right? It just pulls it all together, right? It reduces puffiness, inflammation. It also has antibacterial properties, and it helps to control oil and shine. So me, I have combination skin, right? T-zone for me, always oily. Underneath right here, always oily. The bottom half of my face, almost always dry. And it's been like that all my life. So with that in mind, I do appreciate this because it helps to control all of that. So if you're still asking, okay, what is the purpose? What is the overall purpose of a toner? Let me tell you. This toner will help to shrink pores, right? We're shrinking pores, which is phenomenal if you have larger pores. And it's funny because I do, all around my nose. Only in the nose area, my pores are huge. And sometimes I'll have it like right here, not my whole cheeks, but right here underneath my eyes to the right and the left of my nose. So it'll help to shrink pores, remove impurities. So washing your face is always a go-to. I don't ever use toner to like cleanse my face. I use actual facial cleanser to cleanse my face, followed by the toner. But it does help to remove the impurities that you have in your skin as well. It helps to smooth your skin as well as even your texture. And last but not least, it also hydrates your skin. And best of all, it's alcohol free. So you don't have to worry about it drying out your skin at all. So let's go ahead and read the directions. Apply with a cotton ball or soft pad to cleanse, soften, and refresh and moisturize your skin. Use anytime throughout the day to leave skin renewed, softened, and refreshed. We're gonna go ahead and use it. I have my handy dandy little cotton circle here. I buy these on Amazon in packs of like 1 and 200, so I always have it. This has like a little abrasive side, and this has like a bit of a softer side. I'm gonna go in with the abrasive side first, and we're just gonna go ahead and squeeze it on there. Perfect. And I'm gonna go over my skin. I'm gonna go around my eyebrows because like I said, I did my eyebrows already. And of course, when you first apply it, it has like a very refreshing, cooling feeling that comes on. And you can really smell the coconut scent. If you're not a coconut fan, this probably isn't for you, but it's giving a summertime. It's smelling very beachy, almost like a cleaner version of a suntan lotion, right? And it glides on. It doesn't make my skin feel sticky. And you'll see it's kind of disintegrating a little bit. So that's the one side that I use. And this is the harder side. So then transitioning to the softer side to kind of smooth everything out. There we go. So initially, you're going to feel like that nice, cooling, refreshing feeling. And then after about, I want to say like 30 to 45 seconds, you'll feel it begin to like slightly tighten up your face. You can feel it like, firming your face just a little bit. Now, just to kind of lock in the toner, I go in with my hydrating facial cream. This has hyaluronic acid in it. This one is a thicker, creamy consistency. And I'm just going to rub that in. My goal here is to lock in the moisture that we just had from our toner. And I have an eye cream, so there's really no need for me to add my moisturizer underneath my eyes. Or above my eyes, because I already have it there. And this right here is pretty much like my daily facial regimen. So I'll go ahead, wash my face, add my eye cream. This is Yerba Mate eye gel. So I use this. I cycle between this and Inkeyless. And there's another completely separate video on that. Followed by my toner. And then my hyaluronic acid facial cream. I will say that this toner, it really works. For me, honestly, I would not get any other toner. This is definitely going to be something that's going to stay in stock, and it's going to also stay in rotation. You will be able to see the difference. And I've been using this, I want to say now, for about 2 months. Before, I was swapping between toner trying to find the right one, and then I ran out of toner, and I'm like, let me go on Amazon and see if I can find a nice toner that could be shipped to my door. So I'm going through, typing, researching, looking up all the reviews, and then this one had, like, I think, if I remember correctly, it had like 161,000 reviews. And I'm like, okay, so clearly they're doing something right. If this many people are buying, they're supporting, they're coming back, and they're leaving reviews. Because I don't usually leave a written review, but I will make a video review on something. So the fact that people came back, they made reviews on it, and they're still buying, in addition to the people who didn't leave reviews, yeah. This right here is definitely it for me. And again, I've noticed a complete change in my skin with it on. So this is definitely a staple that I'll be continuing to use. I want to know from you guys if you have this toner, or if you have one of the Thayer's Witch Hazel toners, because they do come in different fragrances. If you have it, what is your experience with them? Is it something you use daily? Have you seen a notice or change in your skin? I definitely want to know. I want you to drop your comments below so I can hear back from you. Also want you to take a moment and subscribe right now. If you like this video, or you want more videos and reviews for skincare and beauty and all that good stuff, I'm gonna need you to stop what you're doing and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I want you to welcome to the Emerald Sea family. Be a part of it. I encourage you. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Take care.